Hello students, it's great to see you again. Welcome to week 2 of eSchool. I wanted to send you a couple quick reminders as we started our second week of classes. First and foremost, a lot of you guys on the Mastery Check missed the question about what do the green check marks mean. You'll notice it's also the first question of your Do Now today. So remember from Module 1, when you see a green check mark, that means you need to go to another location, whether it's Microsoft Teams or your Google Classroom for a question to complete it. So when you see a green check mark, make sure you remember to go to a different location. Also, a lot of you guys just copied each other on your answers in Microsoft Teams. You can reach out to me anytime on Microsoft Teams, Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Feel free to send me an individual message. I know Miss Litchen showed you guys how to do individual messages. Remember, my first name is Dara. My last name, of course, Zach. So you can send me a message and reach out to me anytime you want. A lot of you guys did that last week, and it was really helpful. Also, I reached out to a lot of you, and shout out to those of you that joined that 20 student tutoring over lunch, and that really helped your grade. Next, I wanted to remind you about expectations for your work. Now, okay, this is just like classwork. Your work needs to be your best. The best is different for every person, right? But I know what your best is, and you need to give me your best. First thing you need to do is you always need to write in complete sentences with capital letters and periods. Always. If you would like your points for this activity or this module, you have to do that. So make sure, this is question 2 here, always answer your questions in complete sentences of capital letters, periods, verbs, a noun or a pronoun. You know that. You guys are excellent at that. I know you can do that. Also, just an FYI, your grades are updated in IC. I've put in the first week's module. Every module is going to be in there by the following week. So next Monday, when you come back to eSchool, you'll have Module 2 and Module 3 in there as well. So today's lesson is pretty normal. Do Now, direct instruction, independent practice, and mastery check. I do want to make a note that this is probably my favorite lesson of the year. I'm so bummed we weren't able to do this in traditional school. Many of you are going to love this. It's looking at art, and then at the end we'll talk about how that transfers into kind of reading and what we do in our English class. Lastly, I want to apologize. Those of you in ELS 1 kind of already did this lesson on that last day, but just to get us all on the same page, I'm going to have you use this again. Feel free to steal ideas from your other packet if you still have it. Otherwise, this will just be a quick review. So get the Do Now started, and then I'll read over this vocabulary about symbol and symbolism, and then click on that next video. All right, guys, thanks for your hard work.